Hello, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have an amazing quick recipe that I use all the time when we're entertaining or just when we want something that you normally get at a restaurant. We're going to be making ambabate cozze, which is basically pepper and mussels and lemon. Now, let's talk about the mussels a little bit. The mussels you want to probably buy and use the same day. If you don't, when you bring them from the store, just put them in a container with a wet cloth towel and just leave them in the fridge. But I suggest that you use them within the day or the latest the next day. Another thing you should know about the mussels that you want a very sealed, closed mussel. If any of them should be open like this one, that means they're dead and you want to throw them out. Otherwise, it could ruin your dish. Now, also, the mussels have a beard. What you want to do before cooking them is just tug along, just tug till it comes out. And this is pretty much what you're going to be doing, okay? Just pull it out. And you see this is perfect, that little tip. So that means when you're eating them, there's nothing you need to fish out of the mussel. These are very beautiful, very fresh. And let's get started with the ingredients. Okay, the ingredients, only 3. You got your 3 pounds mussels, a lemon, and peppercorns that you will be crushing to the pot. That's it for this unbelievable, delicious meal. The mussels are washed, the beard has been removed. Now I have a 6-quart pot that's gonna fit the mussels when they open. And what I'm going to do, my flame is on medium high. I'm just going to place the mussels in the pot, okay? Here comes the pepper. You want a lot of pepper because it is called babada di cozze, which means mussels in pepper. So a good crush of the black pepper, and lid is on, and now let's let it do its job. 10 minutes have passed. Wow, the mussels are ready. I am not going to touch them because I want to show you something. Let's move over to the table. Okay, now I'm going to remove the mussels without pouring the juice out just yet, because if there's any sand at the bottom, I don't want it to get into our mussels. Oh, the smell is just fabulous. When I was a little girl, my father with my siblings, my brother and sisters and my mom, would take us to Castellammare di Stabia, which is a port city in Naples, and we would sit at the Chalet Angelina, owned by Signora Carmela and the husband Catello. To this day, I still speak with them, and we would sit there and have the babada di cozze. Ma che bontà, che ricordi, what memories. It feels like it was yesterday, and by making this delicious food, it brings me back to those wonderful days. I'm going to ever so gently pour the mussel juice on top, avoiding a little bit of the sand that's at the bottom. Okay. Let's go ahead and garnish with the fresh lemon. Yes, you could add some garlic, some parsley, some white wine. But then you're not eating ambabate cozze. Ambabate cozze is simply this. Now let's taste it. I want to have some of the mussel water. I'm going to open, squeeze my lemon on top. Guys, you ready? Are you ready for this? Absolutely delicious. If you cannot get to Naples, make this. You will be going to Naples through this. Delicious. Thank you. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and hit like. Be safe, stay healthy. Until next time. Bye-bye.